So we're on an install in Toaster today. It's a pretty interesting one. We're working alongside builders that have built these new walls and stone piers. Lewis is now digging in the vehicle detection loop. This is being doubled up as a safety device and an auto exit. So what it is, it's basically a big metal detector. We pass a cable round the loop 3 or 4 times, depending on the size. And what that does, it will register when a vehicle is parked over the top of it. When the vehicle is parked over the top of it, it will tell the receiver to switch whatever state it's in. We can make this switch open the gates, or it can also close the safety devices. So in this instance, when a customer drives up to the vehicle detection loop, it's set further enough back so that when they first approach it, it will open the gates automatically. At that point, when they are then onto the second part of the loop, it will cut off the safety devices. So at this point, when the gates are in the open position, the gates will not close onto the vehicle as long as that vehicle is over the vehicle detection loop itself. So this couples up really well to get through the safety devices as well as doubling up as an auto exit. This auto exit feature is also going to be controlled through a time clock. So the time clock will control the auto exit feature to work 7 in the morning till 7 at night. So in the early hours of the morning, nobody would be able to just potentially steal a car, drive up to the loop and exit freely. So it just gives you that little bit more of security as well.